Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to see advanced copying feature available in Windows 10. While you are browsing some data in your website, you want to copy many paragraphs and paste it in your Word document so that you used to do copy one paragraph and minimize and paste, copy another paragraph and minimize and paste. Instead of that, how to copy all the necessary items and paste it wherever and whatever copied item you wanted to paste. For that, first in your search bar, just type it clipboard setting. Clipboard setting. The clipboard settings will be appear here, and in that clipboard setting you can see clipboard history. Just own that one and close it. Now go to your website and whatever paragraph you wanted to copy, just select that one and Control plus C. And another paragraph, just select this one and Control plus C. And another paragraph you wanted to copy, then Control plus C. And minimize this one and go to your Word document, and in that just normally we used to use Control plus V to paste, but in this case just you have to do Windows key, the Windows key available in your keyboard plus V. Now you can see all the paragraphs you have copied as a clipboard. Now you can select which paragraph you want to add in that and then enter. And again Windows plus V, and I want this paragraph. Now this paragraph will be added, and again enter and Windows plus V. Now I want this paragraph. So all the paragraphs whatever we have copied from the website is in the clipboard. Now you can add it wherever you want. This is an amazing feature. You can use it while doing your documentation work. If you really like this video, please like this video and share with your friends. If you want more videos like this, subscribe my channel. Thank you.